Crow's feet. As she caught her reflection in the revolving door, she noticed the fine crow's feet around her eyes for the first time. Crow's feet. As she caught her reflection in the revolving door, she noticed the fine crow's feet around her eyes for the first time. Revolving door. He watched the revolving door continue to revolve long after the last guest had entered the hotel. Revolving door. He watched the revolving door continue to revolve long after the last guest had entered the hotel. Revolve. The dancers began to revolve slowly around the massive stone pillar in the center of the ballroom. Revolve. The dancers began to revolve slowly around the massive stone pillar in the center of the ballroom. Pillar. The crowd gathered behind the main pillar started to funnel out of the hall as soon as the lecture ended. Pillar. The crowd gathered behind the main pillar started to funnel out of the hall as soon as the lecture ended. Funnel out. When the audience started to funnel out of the theatre, their contagious laughter filled the entire street. Funnel out. When the audience started to funnel out of the theatre, their contagious laughter filled the entire street. Contagious. The excitement at the amusement park was contagious, making even the grumpiest adults want to ride the roller coasters. Contagious. The excitement at the amusement park was contagious, making even the grumpiest adults want to ride the roller coasters. Amusement park. At the entrance of the amusement park, there was a giant statue of a knight holding a shield made of colorful lights. Amusement park. At the entrance of the amusement park, there was a giant statue of a knight holding a shield made of colorful lights. Shield. The firefighters used a heat shield to get close enough to the blaze to extinguish the remaining flames. Shield. The firefighters used a heat shield to get close enough to the blaze to extinguish the remaining flames. Extinguish. The loss in the first round didn't extinguish his hope of one day winning the entire chess tournament. Extinguish. The loss in the first round didn't extinguish his hope of one day winning the entire chess tournament. Tournament. After the long tournament, the tired player smiled, the crow's feet deepening as he toasted his victory. Tournament. After the long tournament, the tired player smiled, the crow's feet deepening as he toasted his victory.